All right, welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be just quickly going over my thoughts on the current market and what I think is coming next. So let's get started. We're going to get going here with BTC. So we had this dump because of tariffs, right? Then we basically printed this double bottom here, and now we're literally this dump we already retraced. Now the question is, are we going to reject of this order block here and make a lower high? Something like this maybe. Like our bears still in control. If we do this, bears are still in control, and we probably do something like this for a while down here maybe. Um, but if we don't, like let's say we need to reclaim this level here, 94,553. We need to reclaim this on the weekly for us to continue. As of right now, uh, hold on, I'm trying to put it right on the spot. There you go. As of right now, we swept that level. Okay. I mean, obviously it's only Wednesday, but as of right now, how this closed, we swept that level. So let's say if we close like this, I think we filled this fair value gap here at some point or another, maybe this week or next week. Fill this out here and then try to reclaim, right? Something like this. Then we reclaim and then keep going. But this is the key level we want to see reclaimed. As of right now, we are not completely out of the mud yet. But with that being said, I am not selling my spot bags here. If you want to de-risk, this is probably not a bad time to de-risk. I mean, I bought a bunch of spot down here, and I told everyone in the Discord to buy down here. So everyone that bought down here, you guys should be up nicely. You guys should be up around 20% on whatever bags you bought, whether it's ETH or BTC. Cause ETH, okay, actually, um, ETH, I was telling people to buy down here. I bought down there, and these bags are up like 16%, so close to 20% also. But back to Bitcoin, um, this would not be a bad area to de-risk, but I also don't think this is done. So if you guys remember what I said last time about market thoughts, I think something like this is very possible, right? We go, we take out previous all-time highs, which is here, and then we print a bearish candle, weekly candle after that. I mean, even if it's a sweep like this one here, look where my cursor is. Even a sweep like that up here though, like somewhere around here, right? Let's say, hold on, let me delete some of this shit. Let's say, oops, something like this, right? We sweep that high, and then on that sweep, if we look somewhat like this candle here, this one, on a sweep of those highs, I will sell my whole bag, everything. I will not leave anything. I will sell everything. Um, but until then, I still have hopes that we have one more big run like this one or this one, because everything comes in threes, right? Which is why I think this is a possibility. We had we had the first right here, one, two, and then this was the third. We had one, two, still waiting for the third, right? Whether the third is that sweep that I mentioned, or we break above, retest, and continue trending up. Which one happens? I'm not sure. Again, we have to reclaim this level first before this comes. So until that happens, I'm chilling, but I am very aware that this here could be an area where we form some sort of lower high, and then we come down and test, maybe like fill this fill this gap here, or test these highs here. So, oops. Until that happens, I'm chilling. I'm not selling anything yet. But again, especially to the guys in the Discord, if you're happy with your gains off of the buys down here, why not sell? But I'm telling you what I'm doing. I'm not selling yet. Uh, you already know what I'm looking for to sell, and it's a sweep of these highs with a candle like this maybe, or this one. We need to see weakness up here. For now, this looks strong as fuck. We broke out. We broke out. This is a market shift, in my opinion. This is the last like if we close above this, even if we fail to close above this one, we should come down, fill this, retest, and then we should continue trending up. But until then, no need for me to panic. A lot of people are talking about selling around here. Um, I honestly don't really have a reason to sell yet. If I didn't sell down here, I'm not gonna sell here. If anything, I'll sell at the sweep of these highs, like I said. And I'm still praying. Well, I still think one more leg up is possible. One more leg up is very possible. Because if you look at the last run, that's your first leg. This is your third leg. Then we dumped, right? If you look at this run, first leg, right? Second leg, we dumped. And then this right here, and it was the last cycle's third leg, right? That took out previous all-time highs. So whether this is the leg here loading up, whether this is it right here that maybe takes us to 115, 120, could be very well under the cards. And then we fucking go into crypto winter from there, right? We do something like this. We print those highs, right? Then we just break down from there. Break down from there. But until then, no need to panic. This is my plan. What I'm planning to do with my spot bags. If we get signals of weakness at a sweep of all-time highs, I will dump everything without hesitation. I've seen this shit happen before, and I'm just not gonna fumble. So I loaded up enough here to make my gains significantly more at all-time highs. Even though I was very happy with what my bags look like up here, but they're gonna look even higher at a sweep or a breakout of that. So yeah, that's basically what I think is happening next with Bitcoin. Um, I'm not counting this out though, right? I'm not like if we completely pump out of here and just hold, the sky's the limit, right? There's nothing stopping us. If we break this and just hold it, there's nothing. There's no telling how high this can go. Which my main target would be 150K per Bitcoin. But unless we do something like I mentioned down here, then I won't be holding or praying for that. I will literally respect the chart on the weekly. Any iffy looking candles at a sweep of all time highs, I will absolutely sell all my bags on the weekly. Not on the daily, nothing else, on the weekly. So yeah, with that being said, I hope this helped you guys, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.